MLB on its first season managed to qualify for the world stage. Unfortunately, their quest to be greater than ever ends here. Once again, everybody, this is Aurora MLBB, and we hope to see them come back stronger next year.
The Lord makes its way down the mid with Aurora Gaming. The stage that once haunted them now rises for them. The Northern Lights do not fade. It ignites the grand finals. That ignition, that light, a chance at redemption, a chance at history, and a chance to prove the doubters wrong.
Sa lahat ng doubters, wala eh. Ganyan talaga yung mga yun eh. Kasi ano eh. Wala, pagpatuloy lang nila pag-daw sa amin eh. Pinapakita naman namin sa game eh. Kung ano yung dapat pakita.